Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In the last tutorial I showed you that how to create a APK file from sketchware project in sketchware. Now in this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how can you share this APK file by messenger. So at first I'm going to my sketchware app, and there you see the sketchware project naming open settings. I'm opening that and then registering data and running the app. Wait a while. Here you go. I have run the app successfully, and now the app is installing. Here you see. Now you can see the app here. Here is the app. Now we are gonna share this by sketchware. So at first we have to make the APK file of this app, and now to make the APK file I am going to file manager. So here you see the new project 68. I want to say something. I showed in my last video that you can get this app in Play Store by searching ES File Explorer Manager and installing this app. So you can get this in Play Store, but now I have and then do this what I have done. Now I'm going to app backup and getting the app. Here you see, this is the app. I have made APK file. Now we are gonna share this by messenger. So to share this we have to go to Play Store and search for RAR. You have to install this app. I have installed already this app. Now I'm opening this. Now go to here, app backup. Here you see, here is app backup. Now tap on this app and then tap here and then tap in send. Now tap on messenger option. Now I'm gonna send it. I have already sent it. Now we can see that we have sent it here. Here you see the app is sent successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, or and if you liked it, please like the video and please share this video.